but hopefully more of their friends in mid-July, Saturday, July 15th. We had the Legends here last year when the sprint cars were on hand in June. We had 20 cars, and it was a great race. But there is a touch of inexperience in this field, along with the touch of experience at the front of the field. So we'll see how it shakes out. A lot of room to stretch their legs, at least. And an 8-lap heat. Yellow lights out, ready to go. Max McNamara and Kyle Skippy Vergata, your front row. Coming to green. McNamara to the lead. Vergata's going to wrestle Tony Moyer for second. Wilson in fourth. The Hoffmans will scatter and battle Stevenson down the backstretch. Battle near the back, Josh Hoffman and Lucas Stevenson. Hoffman way low, got to get up a little higher. Max McNamara, your leader, 6 to go. Vergata has settled into second. Moyer third, Wilson fourth. Battle for fifth. Lucas Stevenson into fifth. Gets past Michael Hoffman the second in car number 5. Max McNamara quickly working the laps. Already 5 to go. Lapping now. 2 of the 3 Hoffmans is McNamara as they've stretched it out. It'll be 2 to go, and Max McNamara gets back to the start-finish line right now. White flag, 1 to go for Max McNamara. Straightaway advantage on Kyle Vergata, who's got half a straightaway on Tony Moyer. Only the top 4 on the lead lap. Checkered flag for Max McNamara. He'll win the Legend heat. So your Legend heat race winner, car 41, he's pretty accomplished in these Legend cars. It has ran in late models and such before. Loves this Rockford Speedway. Car number 41, Fox Lake, Illinois, his hometown. He's the track record holder too. He set that last June when the Legend cars were here. How about a nice hand for Max McNamara?